is lazy. Lazy. What is the meaning of lazy? Lazy means you can't do anything. You don't have power in your body. You have not eaten something today. You are very hungry. That means lazy. Lazy মানে হচ্ছে অলস. Lazy মানে অলস. Lazy মানে Okay, everybody ready? I am lazy. আমার সাথে বলো I am lazy. You are lazy. I am lazy. You are lazy. We are lazy. We are lazy. They are lazy. They are lazy. I am lazy. আমি অলস. You are lazy. তুমি অলস. We are lazy. আমরা অলস. They are lazy. তারা অলস. We are not lazy. We are not lazy. আমরা অলস না. So lazy means alert. You can't work properly. Sometimes falling down. That means lazy. That means lazy. He goes to sleep. He goes to sleep. Goes to sleep. That means when you go to bed for sleeping at night. That means goes to sleep. Sleep mane ghumanu. Sleep mane ghumanu. So everybody, when you go to your home at night, I think it will be 10 or 11 or 8 or 9. In that time, you go to sleep, right? Right? Okay, everybody say with me, repeat with me. I sleep. You sleep. We sleep. They sleep. I sleep. আমি ঘুমাই. You sleep. তুমি ঘুমাও. One more time. মানে আবার. One more time মানে কি? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I sleep. আমি ঘুমাই. You are sleeping. তুমি ঘুমাচ্ছ. You are sleeping. তুমি ঘুমাচ্ছ. We are sleeping. আমরা ঘুমাচ্ছি. We are sleeping. আমরা ঘুমাচ্ছি. They are sleeping. তারা ঘুমাচ্ছে. Are you sleeping? তুমি কি ঘুমাচ্ছ? Yes, I am sleeping. Yes, I am sleeping. হ্যাঁ আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি. Hey. No, I am not sleeping. না আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি না. No, I am not sleeping. না আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি না. Are they sleeping? তারা কি ঘুমাচ্ছে? Are they sleeping? তারা কি ঘুমাচ্ছে? Okay.